Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Trega Business Insights, where we dive into the latest market trends and news that affect your wallet. Today, we're talking about a developing story in Asia that's got everyone on high alert. President Donald Trump's plans for new tariffs on pharmaceutical drugs. So, what's behind this sudden move? Well, Trump claims foreign makers of furniture and cabinetry are flooding the U.S. with their products, hurting domestic producers. But here's the thing, most heavy trucks and parts are either made in America or are U.S. brands made in Canada or Mexico. It seems like a bit of a stretch to justify 100% import taxes on pharmaceutical drugs starting October 1st. The impact is already being felt across Asia, with Asian shares tumbling in response. Japan's Nikkei 225 has dropped around 0.3%, while South Korea's Kospi has fallen a whopping 2.5%. The Shanghai Composite Index has also seen some downward pressure, down 0.1%. But why should we care about tariffs on pharmaceuticals? Well, for starters, it could lead to price hikes for patients who rely on these drugs to manage their health conditions. According to the World Health Organization, nearly half of all medicines are imported from abroad, and rising prices can have serious consequences for public health. And then there's the economic impact. The global pharmaceutical industry is worth over $1 trillion, and tariffs could disrupt supply chains and lead to job losses in countries like China and India. On Wall Street, stocks are feeling the pressure too. The S&P 500 has slipped 0.5%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average has dropped 0.4%. It's a sobering reminder that trade tensions can have far-reaching consequences for investors and consumers alike. But what about the Federal Reserve? Will they respond to these developments by cutting interest rates more frequently than expected? According to Stephen Innes of SBI Asset Management, for Asia today, it means traders wake up to a market where gravity has reasserted itself. That's right, with inflation still above target and yields rising, the global rebound year-to-date now feels stretched against yields rising even for all the right reasons. So there you have it, a snapshot of how Trump's plans for new tariffs on pharmaceuticals are affecting markets across Asia. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it unfolds, so stay tuned to Trega Business Insights for more insights and analysis.